Hi, my name is Meer Saleem.
Hi, my name is Mohammed Omar.
We are students at Harmony Science Academy High School. Our smart pen uses Arduino and MPU 6050 button. The Arduino is connected to the breadboard, which distributes the power to MPU 6050 and the button. And smart pens have been used for many years. The first smart pen was made in 2007 January, and it came with the pen and a paper, but our project is way more advanced. Our project could is able to write on any surface, which means even motion in the air. Even the gestures are recorded while writing. And our project is sure to help many people, even teachers, professors, students, do their work over any type of surfaces and more efficiently and help them do their work. We used Arduino to run our program. We ran into multiple problems while writing the program and running it, but we were able to fix it really fast. And then we ran the serial monitor to check if it was working. As you can see, it works.
Thank you for watching Harmony Public Schools.